Point number 2 is I would like to inform, because quite a number of our citizens in the state, we just we just approximately talking about students or our friends working outside Meghalaya in different states in India who got stranded in different places in India. They, I think they wanted to know exactly which location are they right now, and then how many of them are there right now. So I wanted to inform through all of you now the numbers and the locations where our friends from Meghalaya got stranded from the outcome of the lockdown, national lockdown that has happened a few weeks back. We have 10,288 boys and girls who are studying as well as who are working in different private companies throughout India. Number 1, in Karnataka, we have 2,719. In Assam, we have 2,104. Tamil Nadu, we have 1,164. In Maharashtra, we have 685. West Bengal, we have 642. In Delhi, 531. Telangana, 357. Kerala, 254. Rajasthan, 201. Gujarat, 194. UP, 194. Andhra Pradesh, 175. Uttarakhand, 164. Haryana, 120. Bihar, 101. Goa, 101. Arunachal Pradesh, 94. Manipur, 81. Madhya Pradesh, 78. Punjab, 58. Nagaland, 56. Pondicherry, 51. Mizoram, 40. Tripura, 35. Odisha, 21. Sikkim, 19. Himachal Pradesh, 16. Jharkhand, 15. Chandigarh, 7. Chhattisgarh, 7. Andaman and Nicobar Island, 4. So altogether, we have 10,288. And those who officially registered themselves is 10,287. 10,287 who wanted to avail their one-time financial assistance decided by the government to extend to all of them, whoever got stranded outside the state. So, till today, out of 10,287, 7,288 disbursement of 3,000 rupees each has taken place till today. It has taken place till today, and hopefully by next week we'll be able to complete transferring this money in their respective account.